Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Daily Podcast. I'm your host, Kevin. Today, you are watching day 1 of our official 21-day shadowing challenge for fluency. If you are tired of just studying grammar rules but freezing up when you try to speak, you are in the right place. This challenge is designed to train your mouth muscles, rewiring your brain to think in English blocks without translating. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Grab your water, relax your shoulders, and let's dive straight into today's practice. Put your textbooks away for a moment. Just drop them. Take a deep breath. Imagine this. You step off a plane. You walk into a beautiful cafe in London or New York, and you want to order a simple coffee. Suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. Your heart beats fast. Why does this happen? It's because you've been studying grammar rules, but you haven't been practicing real-life muscle memory. Today, we're not just doing a regular listen and repeat video. This is going to be a super long, immersive shadowing masterclass. We are going to step into real-world situations, ordering food, navigating an airport, checking into a hotel, and even handling a casual conversation with a stranger. We have multiple levels today. In between the levels, I'm going to share some secret tips with you on how to naturally rewire your brain to think in English. All you need to do is trust my voice, copy my exact rhythm, and speak out loud during the pauses. Let's jump straight into Situation 1, the coffee shop and restaurant, beginner level.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please.
I want a hot coffee.
What size would you like?
A medium size, please.
To go or to stay?
To go, thank you.
Anything else with that?
Just a chocolate muffin.
That will be $5. Here is my card. Thank you. Have a nice day. Excuse me, where is the sugar? It is over there on the counter. Thank you so much. Can I sit at this table? Yes, this table is free. The coffee is very hot. The muffin is sweet. I like this place. It is clean and warm. Can I have a napkin, please? Yes, here you go. Thanks for your help. Amazing job on completing the first situation. Let's stop for a quick second. Look at me. I want to give you your very first fluency tip. Did you notice how simple those sentences were? A lot of language learners make a huge mistake. They try to use big academic words when they are ordering food. In real life, native speakers love simplicity. A medium coffee, please, is perfect. You don't need to say, I desire to purchase a magnificent beverage. No, keep it simple. When you were repeating after me just now, did you make a mistake? Did you mispronounce a word? If yes, that is completely fine. Fluency is not about perfection, it's about flow. Your tongue is like a muscle at the gym. It needs time to grow. Now, we are increasing the length of the sentences. We are stepping into Situation 2, asking for directions and shopping, intermediate level. The sentences are longer and we're connecting ideas. Take a sip of water, shake your shoulders, and let's keep moving. Situation 2, asking for directions and shopping. Excuse me, I am a bit lost. Can you help me find the train station? Sure. Walk straight down this street for 2 blocks and then turn left. Is it far from here?
or can I easily walk there? It's quite close. It only takes about 5 minutes on foot. Thank you so much. Also, is there a pharmacy nearby? Yes, there is one right next to the big supermarket on the corner. Perfect. I need to buy some medicine before I catch my train. Hello, I am looking for a warm jacket. Where can I find them? The winter clothes are located on the second floor next to the shoes. Thank you. Do you have this gray jacket in a medium size? Let me check the back room for you. Please give me a moment. I'm sorry. We only have it in small and large sizes right now. That's a pity. Can I try on the large one to see how it fits? Of course. The fitting rooms are right behind you on the left. This jacket is a bit too big, but the quality is excellent. How much does it cost? And is it currently on sale? It costs $40, and you get a 10% discount today. That's a great deal. I think I will take it anyway. Can I pay with cash, or do you only accept credit cards? We accept both cash and cards, whichever is easier for you.
Brilliant. You are doing incredibly well. This is a very long episode, and the fact that you are still here speaking with me shows that you are deeply committed to your future. I am proud of you. Here is fluency tip number 2. Notice the rhythm in the intermediate level. In English, we don't pronounce every single word with the same energy. We slide over small words like to the, for a, or and a. And we put all our energy on the big words, like station, jacket, or supermarket. This is called connected speech. When you shadow me, try to copy the melody of my voice, not just the words. Treat English like a song, and you are the singer. Are you ready to challenge yourself? We are moving into situation 3, checking into a hotel, and business English, upper intermediate to advanced level. The sentences are long, the vocabulary is rich, and the situations require professional communication. If it gets hard, look at the subtitles on the screen. Let's do this together. Situation 3. Hotel check-in and business English. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. How may I assist you today? Hello, good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name of Kevin for 3 nights. Yes, I found your booking right here. May I please see your ID or passport for confirmation? Certainly. Here is my passport. Does the room price include complimentary breakfast in the morning? Yes, indeed. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the main dining hall on the first floor. That's wonderful to hear. Is there high-speed Wi-Fi available in the room? And what is the password? The Wi-Fi network is completely free for guests.
and the login details are printed on your keycard sleeve. Excellent. Here is your key. You will be staying in room 405, which has a lovely view of the city. Thank you very much for your outstanding service. Could you also tell me what time checkout is? Checkout is strictly at 11 a.m. on the day of your departure, but you can request a late checkout if necessary. Perfect. I appreciate your assistance. Now let's move on to our project presentation for the business client. Thank you all for attending this meeting on such short notice to discuss our quarterly performance goals. First, I would like to highlight the significant progress our marketing team has made over the last few weeks. We managed to increase our online engagement by 20%, which exceeded our initial expectations. However, we still need to address some minor delays regarding our product delivery timeline in the next phase. If anyone has any creative suggestions or alternative solutions, please feel free to share your thoughts openly. I strongly believe that with proper collaboration and clear communication, we can resolve this issue quickly. Let's review the final budget layout before we submit the official proposal to our main investors tomorrow morning.
Wow. Just stop for a second and appreciate what you have done today. You just finished a massive deep dive shadowing practice in real-life English situations. You spoke beginner English, you navigated intermediate shopping conversations, and you conquered professional business presentations. Your jaw and tongue might feel a bit tired right now, but that is the exact physical sign of progress. You are changing the neural pathways in your brain. You are becoming an English speaker. You have officially completed day 1 of our 21-day shadowing challenge. Your mouth muscles might feel a bit tired, but that is the beautiful physical proof that your pronunciation and rhythm are transforming. Now, it is time for your daily commitment homework. Scroll down to the pinned comment right now and type Day 1 done so I can personally see your consistency and cheer you on. To speak English fluently, consistency is everything. You cannot skip days. That is why I am professionally challenging you to finish this journey. Don't stop now. Your mouth is already adapting. If this long, interactive format helped you feel more comfortable and less bored, please hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily podcasts. Smash the like button because it tells the YouTube algorithm that this educational video is actually helping real people around the world speak fluent English. Share this video with one friend who is struggling with their speaking confidence. Let's grow this beautiful community together on English Daily Podcast. Thank you for your hard work and your valuable time today. Sleep well, let your brain process these sounds, and I will see you in the next episode for day 2. Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.